How to assemble your Vive X Bike. Remove the frame locking pin to unlock the front and rear main sections of the frame. Adjust the frame sections to the desired position. Reinsert the pin to secure the X Bike in place. Fit the front stabilizer beneath the curved bracket on the front main frame so the screw holes align. Fit 2 carriage bolts up through the screw holes so the threaded ends are pointing up, and secure in place with a curved washer and a cap nut. Fit the rear stabilizer beneath the curved bracket on the rear main frame so the screw holes align and the metal loops point toward the rest of the frame. Identify the left pedal, marked L, and the right pedal, marked R. Screw the left pedal into the left crank, stamped with an L, ensuring the left pedal is fixed in a counterclockwise direction. Screw the right pedal into the right crank, ensuring that the right pedal is fixed in a counterclockwise direction. Unfold the seat frame and attach the seat pad and backrest to the frame with the flat washers and hex bolts. The pads should be attached with the pointed ends pointing away from the hinge. Attach the handlebars to the back of the seat frame so the height of the handlebar curves upward to sit higher than the top of the seat. Then secure by fitting the 2 carriage bolts through the screw holes and securing in place with a curved washer and a cap nut. Insert the square seat frame post beneath the seat pad into the socket on top of the frame. Adjust the seat to the desired height so that the holes in the post align with the screw hole in the socket, and secure in place tightly with the positioning knob. Install 2 AA batteries into the back of the computer. Slide the computer down onto the bracket by the frame hinge so that it faces the seat. Connect the sensor wire that leads into the frame to the computer wire coming out of the back of the computer. Turn the resistance dial beside the computer to set the resistance level and adjust as needed during your workout.